I won't go too far. The diesel rat rod. I got so much shit for building that car in 2008 that I knew I was onto the right thing when I did the car, because it just opened it up to another layer of whatever we want to do. The freedom of building rat rods and doing what we want to do, and it's got me to this. It really got me to this place, you know, doing all the years at the TV show, and you know, it was a lot of work to go through what we went through to get this out into the world, and now it's such a great thing, and I'm so happy to be a part of it. I love the cars, I love the people. This is our community, this is my community of people. We're all alike. We all share something, and it's because we're all a little bit on the edge. We want to live that way, and life sitting in front of a video game all day or behind a computer board doing something is tough. Would be tough for me. I'm an ADD kid that could barely make it out of high school, and I went out and I started building shit in the garage when I was a little kid, and here we are. And I'm sure we're all like this, so thank you. I love all of you guys. I appreciate this. Rat Rod Magazine, Junkyard Pirates. This is an honor I've never even seen coming, so thank you.
Happy trails to you until we meet again. Happy trails to you. Keep smiling until then.